How to change your current avatar in Raid Shadow Legends. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. If you want to change your avatar or just want a cooler look in Raid Shadow Legends, then it is quick and easy to make your profile stand out. First of all, launch open the Raid Shadow Legends game on your device and log into your account. From your home page, go to the top left corner and tap on your current profile avatar. Once you're inside this player profile section, go to the bottom of the screen and tap on your current avatar, and then go ahead and select another avatar from the available list. Choose the avatar you want to change to. You can also change the avatar frame by tapping avatar frames at the top. Choose any avatar frames if available, and once you are done, click on confirm on the right corner. Soon after you do that, you will be able to change your avatar for your profile in Raid Shadow Legends. That is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.